Okay, so now I'm recording. And I can see that I'm recording because the timer is running and there's a pause button. So it's recording everything you see on my screen. It's recording my PowerPoint right here, but it's also recording my document camera. So this is me teaching my whole lesson, and so your screencast can be as long as you need it to be. There's not really a time limit. I haven't really tried. So the next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is then take this video that you've created and put it into Canvas. And so let's pretend that you're making this really awesome video. You get a phone call. All you do is click pause. Now I'm live again. So now I'm still recording, and I can see because the timer right here is running. So my video right now is 45 seconds, which is fine. My videos that I make are usually, 15, 20 minutes, but it's just whatever you want. So I'm going to show you now how to upload this video to Canvas. So we have to first put it into YouTube, and then we have to put it into Canvas. So I'm going to click the pause